I have news coming in from Bihar with the civil services protest that's currently on. Remember the public service examination, which many have wanted a retest about. Prashant Kishore of Jansuraj, who had been in support of these students, has also been detained by the Bihar police and has been taken to a hospital. But you can see that clashes erupted overnight. Cops have detained the protesters. Some of them were on hunger strike, and especially Prashant Kishore, visuals of him being taken away by the cops. Kishore has been diagnosed, perhaps it looks like, with a certain respiratory issue as well. Remember this winter season, there have been protests in Patna, especially by aspirants of the public service examination. They believe that the question paper was leaked, that there have been some sort of a corruption in this. Now, the public service had the centre had basically said that only one centre is where there was some doubt whether retest will happen, but it doesn't mean that the re-examination has to happen throughout Bihar specifically and in every centre. That has led to a lot of agitation on the ground, and right now joining me live from on the ground where this has happened, Rohit Singh this morning. Rohit, good morning. This appears to have happened overnight, early morning. What is the status? What happened?
Well, Pooja, what happened today early morning between 3:30 to 4 a.m. is what we were expecting. It was on expected lines because, see, remember, Prashant Kishore was sitting on a dharna at Patna's Gandhi Maidan under the Gandhi Murti for the last 4 days. He was fasting. So it was basically a fast unto death over the issue of BPSC controversy. And remember, early morning today between 3:30 to 4, several police personnel and administrative officials, they reached Gandhi Maidan, and then police action was witnessed, and all those who were present with Prashant Kishore, along with Prashant Kishore, they were all asked to leave Gandhi Maidan, and when they protested, they were all, in fact, literally picked up and thrown out of Gandhi Maidan. And in fact, Prashant Kishore was also lifted in a swift action, and he was taken in an ambulance, and then he was sent to Patna AIIMS. And at AIIMS also, for about half an hour when Prashant Kishore was there in the emergency ward, several of the workers of Jansuraj, they gathered outside Patna AIIMS, leading to a law and order situation, after which the police personnel, in fact, removed Prashant Kishore from Patna AIIMS also in another ambulance and has taken him to an unidentified location. So presently, we are not aware where Prashant Kishore has been taken, but what we know is that it was an early morning action that was initiated against Prashant Kishore and his other people who were sitting on a fast unto death at Gandhi Maidan. And now the Gandhi Maidan has been sealed. Nobody is being allowed to enter the Gandhi Maidan. All the gates are locked. And Jansuraj workers, in fact, also clashed with the police personnel at Patna AIIMS when the police were trying to take away Prashant
Eventually,
Kishore
this has to be also about the administration or those in the government. Why cannot the leaders or the representatives reach out to these students and try and reach a certain consensus? Because for now it looks like Prashant Kishore only is standing with these aspirants right now.